not you, it's me, you see. It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know, and I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately wrong with me. Hush, don't tell me what's going on. Hush, don't tell me what's going wrong. Don't make me a victim, pretty please. Hush, don't tell me what's going on. It's not easy for me, he said, to see you hurt and filled with regrets, but there's something wrecking ball wrong with me. Oh, and I gotta go, gotta get away, force me. I can't explain, but there's something wrecking ball wrong with me. Oh, hush, don't tell me what's going on. Just hush, don't tell me what's going wrong. Oh, don't make me your victim, pretty please. Hush, don't tell me what's going on. Don't tell me what's going wrong. Oh, hush, don't tell me what's going wrong. No, don't make me your victim, pretty please. Oh, hush, don't tell me what's going on. I don't need to know. I don't need to know.
I don't think that you know. I'm trying hard to show. These days it's hard to tell what's on your mind. Why don't you stop pretend like this is what we planned? I can see the end is coming down. And if I don't look back, will you let me get away? If I turn my back and walk, will you stay? I waited for you. I waited for you, and I don't know where to go from here. You never came. It's all the same again. Keep make the same mistakes. You're running out of space. I got closer than you could take. So why don't you stop pretend like this is not the end? We both know it's time to go. And if I don't look back, would you let me get away? If I turn my think about yesterday. Your smile, your style so fly, my oh my. As time stood still, I got the urge to steal a kiss, and so I did. Now I'm embarrassed, but just a little bit.